Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing essentials. Make sure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or higher, and has about 100 MB free. Once ready, install Microsoft Outlook from Google Play and open it. You'll enter your email address first. This lets Outlook locate the correct server settings automatically. Make sure you have your password and any two-factor device nearby because you may need to verify. Once done, tap Add Account and proceed to sign in so the app can fetch folders and sync your mail. Next, you configure account details and why each step matters. When prompted, choose Work/School for Exchange or Personal for a Map/Outlook. So Outlook applies the correct security and sync rules. Then grant permissions for contacts and calendar so your meetings and people integrate. This avoids duplicate apps and missed invites. Make sure notifications are enabled and set a sync window that matches your data plan. A shorter window uses less data. Once configured, Outlook will index email, calendar, and contacts for quick access. Finish by testing send and receive to confirm SMTP/AMAP or Exchange settings are correct. This proves the account is active. You should also verify calendar entries and enable focused inbox, swipe actions, and your signature to streamline daily use. If something goes wrong, check your password first, then server settings and app permissions, re-enter credentials, and reauthorize any 2FA prompts. If mail still won't sync, restart the phone and clear Outlook app cache before trying again so the app can rebuild its local index.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.